This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Hector Gomez. With a full price offer, the seller is offering a credit of $12,500 towards a new roof and/or repairs. The corner lot property is very large, originally built as a 3-bedroom 2 baths 1,400 square feet living area, large floor plan with an additional family room with a closet that can be used as a 4th bedroom with little effort, on a cul-de-sac, very private corner lot, many possibilities, in good condition as per visual inspection, air conditioner works perfectly, no roof leaks. Close to downtown Sarasota, Siesta Key Beach, St. Armand's Circle, Museum, Theater, UTC Mall, Sarasota Airport. The seller requested to use the attorney Michael Bell. They do have the documents needed for the closing. For more